How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now. And I hope everybody's doing well. And as always here at 2A News Now, you get your Second Amendment news straightforward and to the point with no BS added in. The city of Chicago dropped its federal lawsuit against Glock and then turned around and refiled it again. What the hell are they doing there in Chicago? Let's take a closer look. On March 19th, 2024, the city of Chicago sued Glock. They originally filed the suit in state court, and then it was transferred to federal court. And then just a couple of days ago, the city of Chicago voluntarily withdrew its lawsuit against Glock. When the first lawsuit was filed back in March, there was all this big fanfare about it, and Mayor Brandon was the one who announced the lawsuit against Glock. They said it was a first of its kind lawsuit. The city put out a big press release, and it was covered widely by the media. But on Monday, there was no media, there was no press release, and the city of Chicago dropped the lawsuit against Glock. Back in March when they filed the first lawsuit, they said Glock pistols posed a public nuisance because criminals misuse them. That makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? They said Glock is felicitating the proliferation of illegal machine guns on the streets of Chicago. The lawsuit said that they believe Glock unreasonably endangers Chicagoans by manufacturing and selling in the Chicago civilian market semi-automatic pistols that can be easily converted into illegal machine guns with an autosear, or also known as a Glock switch. The suit was the first to use Illinois' new Firearm Industry Responsibility Act, and that was passed and signed into law in 2023. And they said they did so to hold gun companies accountable for conduct that endangers the public. The city claims in the past 2 years that the police had recovered over 1,100 Glocks that were converted to illegal machine guns. The city also seeks penalties against Glock and damages for harm that Glock has caused to the city. They say they want to hold Glock accountable for putting profits over public safety. They claim that anyone with $20 can purchase a Glock switch and use a screwdriver to convert a semi-automatic Glock into a machine gun. And also a reminder, every town for gun safety is helping Chicago with this lawsuit. Of course they are. And like I said earlier, not too long after they dropped the original lawsuit, they refiled it again, but they added something to it. Not only are they suing Glock, but now they're suing Glock authorized gun dealers. And there are two of those listed in the lawsuit: Eagle Sports and Midwest Sporting Goods. And they're going to have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on how far this case goes up the ladder in the courts. So what do you guys think? Do you think after a while the city of Chicago will drop this lawsuit as well? And if they do, are they done? Or will they add more defendants to it? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed today's video and the information that I gave you, and if you also want to help the channel out and help it to continue to grow, all I ask for you to do is just take a few seconds of your time to like, share, and subscribe and hit those post notifications. I would be very grateful if you did so. And I invite everybody to come back and watch my next video.